What's up, everyone? Welcome to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going over dynamic keyword insertion. So when it comes to dynamic keyword insertion, it's something that you're able to adjust within your responsive search ads. So let's just say, for example, I have an ad group here, dentist Google ads. So I'm trying to get new dental clients for my Google ads agency. So within my actual ad itself, what I'm able to do is say, okay, these are the keywords I'm targeting: dental advertising agency, dental advertising companies, dental ad agency. When dentists or marketing managers are searching for an ad agency or a PPC agency, they're going to use one of those variations of keywords. You can see them here too. These are the ones I'm targeting. What I can do here, and you can see this is exactly how you would enter it. Keyword Google Ads Agency Dentists. Now I don't love that, so let's change this actually while we look at it. And I can say dental Google Ads Agency, which I'm not. So I should say dental Google Ads Management, although agency works fine. So this works better. It actually fits better for what I actually do. I'm not just a dental agency. But basically I'm saying in the first headline, I'm going to pin a dynamic keyword insertion, and Google can test this. I also have Google Ads Agency for dentists, dentist Google Ads Management, dental Google Ads Agency. But this will basically take the keyword, and the search term that somebody enters is going to basically tie to one of these keywords. So if I go hire a dental ad agency near me, Google is going to put that search term within this keyword. There's 320 searches in the last 30 days, it's saying. That doesn't mean the exact match version of dental ad agency. It'll probably be somewhat similar, but exact match keywords have gotten a lot closer to phrase match keywords. So phrase match keywords are broad or super broad. So when you're doing phrase match keywords, essentially when I'm doing somebody searching this, I get to put that keyword in here. Now, as you expand your match types, and if I start targeting broad and phrase match keywords, you may have search terms that are completely out of left field that match these specific keywords. And in that case, a lot of times I think dynamic keyword insertion isn't used as often. You know, for example, if I'm targeting something like best dentist near me, there's a chance that if I target that as a broad match keyword, it's going to pull in competitive words. So it might be somebody searching ABC dental. That ties to best dentist near me. And then my ad shows up with best dentist near me in the headline. But basically what you need to know is keywords you're targeting with dynamic keyword insertion can essentially put those keywords directly into your headline. I've done this for years. It's probably been over a decade since I've done dynamic keyword insertion. If it's not that long, it feels like it's been a long time. It's got to be at least 6-7 years. So basically get the exact search into the keyword or as close as possible, so you are creating very relevant ads for your end customers. So this is dynamic keyword insertion, kind of a quick video, just how it works, the syntax of it. You can use sentence case or lowercase. I always use title case, which means it's going to capitalize the first of these letters, which this is the syntax for title case. If you do sentence case, it will only capitalize the first word, so just D. Lowercase will make the whole entire thing lowercase, and this is how you do it. You have to adjust the way keyword looks. So title case is like this: apply, capitalize the W, put your default text in there. This is like basically if they use the keyword but don't end up using the search term, this is the default text it's going to use. You can pin headlines just like this, and it just gives Google an option to say, okay, let's see how this works. There's other insertion. We will go over those in other videos, like location insertion. So you can see that here and location here, and you can insert cities, states, country, all sorts of different things. So dynamic keyword insertion, really trying to get the keyword that we are bidding on. So when we look at our overall keyword list that we have for our campaign and get those individual keywords in our actual ads themselves, send them to a landing page that is relevant for Google Ads for dentists, and we have ourselves a good overall campaign setup. So if you have any questions about this, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching my video today, and make sure you subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.